Hello all, welcome to Constructing Minds. Today we will understand the topic arithmetic sequences. Now sequences are set of things, usually numbers that are in order. So let us see this example 1, 2, 4, 5. This is an example of a sequence. Now each number in the sequence is called a term or a member of a sequence. Here 1 is the first member of the sequence, 2 is second term, 4 is third, 5 is fourth, and so on. Now in arithmetic sequences, the consecutive terms of the sequence have a common difference between them. That is, whenever you subtract two consecutive terms, you will always get the same number. So, we could write an arithmetic sequence like a plus d, a plus 2d, so on, where a is the first term and d is the difference between the consecutive terms. This d is called the common difference. Let us see some example of arithmetic sequences. 1, 4, 7, 10. This is a sequence with the difference d equal to 3. Next example, 15, 10, 5, 0, minus 5, minus 10. This is arithmetic sequence with difference d equal to minus 5. 1, half, 0, minus half. This is an arithmetic sequence with d equal to minus 1, with d equal to minus half. Now, this arithmetic sequence, we can find any nth term xn using this rule, that xn is equal to a plus d into n minus 1. So for example, we want to find the a 100th term, then in the arithmetic sequence 1, 4, 7, 10, so on, we have seen that a is equal to 1, the first term, d is equal to 3, the common difference. So applying this formula, a plus d into n minus 1, we will get a 100 is equal to 298. Similarly, next example, 15, 10, 5, 0. A 100 is equal to minus 480. Again, this we have obtained using this formula. Here a is equal to 15, d is equal to minus 5, and n is equal to 100. Similarly, we can do the next example, 1 half, 0 minus half, so on. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share this video.